Inflation is quietly eroding your retirement savings, and if you don't take action soon, it could threaten the lifestyle you've worked so hard to build. The real concern is how inflation affects the purchasing power of your retirement funds, especially for those of you who are relying on fixed income assets or cash-based savings. If your nest egg isn't growing at a pace that outpaces inflation, you're losing money without even realizing it. But there is a way to protect yourself. For American retirees, inflation isn't just a buzzword, it's a reality. The cost of goods and services continues to rise, and for many retirees, that means fewer options when it comes to everyday expenses. A dollar today will not buy as much tomorrow. And if you're relying on traditional assets like stocks, bonds, or savings accounts, you're likely losing ground because these options are vulnerable to inflation. What makes this even more concerning for those of you nearing or already in retirement is the lack of flexibility that comes with fixed income. If your portfolio is too conservative, your money might not be growing fast enough to keep up with inflation. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to make up that lost ground. Now let's talk about a powerful strategy to not just protect yourself from inflation, but to actually grow your wealth in the process: gold IRAs. Gold has been used for centuries as a store of value because it's not subject to the same volatility as stocks or bonds. Unlike paper currency, gold's value doesn't erode with inflation. In fact, it tends to do the opposite. Gold often rises in value when inflation spikes. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, a gold IRA is one of the smartest moves you can make right now. If you're looking to understand more about how gold IRAs work and why thousands of Americans are turning to them to protect their retirement, click the first link in the description below to get your free gold IRA guide and consultation. This guide is designed specifically for those of you with over 100K in your IRA or 401k, or even 5MEM Plus in savings. It's a free resource that will help you understand exactly how to safeguard your wealth, and it's completely no obligation, so you can get valuable information without any pressure. But why is gold such a strong option? Well, it's simple. Gold doesn't lose value the way paper assets do. When inflation causes the value of the dollar to drop, gold's value usually rises. This makes it an excellent hedge against inflation. Plus, with a gold IRA, you can roll over your existing IRA or 401k into gold without triggering taxes or penalties. That means your wealth can grow in a tax-advantaged way, and you don't have to worry about the unpredictable nature of the market. Compare this to other options like savings accounts or bonds. These may seem like safe bets, but in reality, they aren't keeping pace with inflation. The interest rates on savings accounts are minuscule, and bonds, while they can offer some security, often yield less than the rate of inflation. With gold, you're not just holding onto your money, you're protecting it and ensuring its growth over time. So, as inflation continues to rise, it's critical that you take steps now to protect your wealth. A gold IRA is a proven strategy that has stood the test of time, and it's more accessible than ever. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, don't wait until it's too late. Click the link in the description for your free gold IRA guide. Remember, this is especially important if you've got 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or if you've accumulated 5MEM Plus in savings over the years. The last thing you want is to watch inflation eat away at that wealth when you could be investing in something that not only shields you from inflation, but also grows your wealth over time. So click the link, get your free guide, and start building a safer, more secure retirement today.